Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a welding repair. This is a bucket for my backhoe that has seen better days. It's missing two shanks and teeth completely, and the frog is all chewed up on it. So I'm actually going to cut the frog out of this one completely. I have a piece of 3/4 plate that was from the undercarriage on a Case 310E crawler dozer that I'm going to repurpose that plate as a new frog for this. Yeah, it's not abrasion resistant AR plate, but that's fine. You don't need that. I'll probably end up doing some hard facing on it and it'll be good to go. So we're going to cut the frog out of this, use that plate as our new frog. I got 5 brand new shanks, and then I'm going to do tiger teeth on this bucket actually, and I went with 3 twins, 2 singles. So we'll have the singles bang bang like that, and then our twins will have them outside edge and the middle tooth. Should be real nice. So that's what we're looking at. Let's get after it. Some dirty shit in there. Fuck. Or I'm running out of oxygen. One more corner. And she should fall right out. Jesus, that was painful. But hey, frog delete. Now we gotta clean up our cuts, get our new plate cut out, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, yeah. That's probably why that was such a pain in the butt. It's got that gap in it that's full of dirt. Doesn't help any. Turns out you cannot cut dirt with oxyacetylene. Who'd have thought? Yeah, it's just ugly. That's all right though. We'll get it cleaned it. Nice tight fit up with the new frog. So there you have it, frog delete. So I got the new frog cut out. I got it all fit up to the bucket, looking good. Went to fire up the old Lincoln in the back of the service truck to burn the frog in, and lo and behold, it has no spark. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and tack the frog into place using my small Hobart MIG welder, and we're going to have a part 2 to this video. I'm going to end up pulling the welder out. It's kind of due for some routine maintenance anyway. The carburetor needs rebuilt, it's leaking. Go over it, figure out why it doesn't have spark, fix it. That'll be a whole nother video, I'm sure. And then get back onto finishing up repairing this bucket. So, disappointing, yes, but show goes on. So we will get this all tacked up. So I got that right about where I want it. It's not, 100% perfect, but it's for digging dirt. It'll work. I'm gonna go ahead, I got the little Hobart turned all the way up. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple tacks, get this thing pounded into position. That way after that stick welder's fixed, we can actually stick weld it together, and I don't have to worry about doing mock-up. I'll be done. not a terrific ground. I like it. I like it. All right. And by tacks, I mean short little tiny welds. Because why not? Big piece of 3/4 inch plate. Try to get as much heat in as I can. That actually looks really nice. Gap's just perfect. It's like a smooth transition from the frog to the bucket on the inside there. I like it. Do one over here. And being that I told you this was a recycled piece of plate from the undercarriage of case 310, there are a few holes in it. I'm not worried about that. I may fill them. I may say the hell with it. They're just drain holes. Not going to lose a lot of material through it. I'm not super concerned with it, so we'll run it. And you know what? I'm tempted to go ahead. This is only 1/4 plate between these webs. So this, going into this, if I focus a lot of that heat into the frog, I should be able to burn that in pretty well with a MIG. And I may go ahead and do that. And just do, save the bigger 3/4 inch web and the frog, these joints, for the arc welder. But in here, I don't think that's going to be as crucial. I might just burn that in. But I want to get some, to keep the frog from lifting, I need to get a couple welds here on the outside. And we got a big gap on this side to fill, so we got plenty of opportunity to fill lots of weld in that. Kind of like that. And we're gonna do cap welds with the stick welder over all, any of these MIGs anyway. And we'll have that thing turned up so hot, it's not, I mean, we'll have all the penetration we need. everything's in there now. I'm going to go ahead and close these gaps up. Huh. Well, we either, well, the fan's not running, so we actually just kicked the breaker. Cool. Commercial break, huh? Crispy. Alrighty. Looks like we got that little section here. Okay, so that seems all closed up. Let's change our camera angle. Get a real close up. That'll do it. Put do the outer edge on that other side, and then I'm gonna call that good. We'll wait till we get the stick welder going. And it looks like I just hit the breaker again. Or not even the breaker, it's actually this extension cord I'm plugged into. It's cord reel junk. Damn, the root on that side of the frog was quite a bit bigger. We had to do some shoving wire in there, get her filled out, but got a nice root to run some real hot passes with some welding rods over now, as soon as the old Lincoln's fixed up. So then, I think that's going to do it for progress on this bucket. So, now that that is done, guess we'll flip this thing over. I'll let you check it out from a couple different angles, I guess. So picture with me, if you will, this bucket finished and how sassy this unit's going to be. Tiger tooth, I think this is a 24-inch bucket. She's going to be a digging machine in my crappy ground. I got maybe a foot of topsoil before you hit hard pan, so it's taxing on my old Case 530. But I'm sure this will really help that machine out with this size bucket. Right now I have a trenching bucket on it, I think a 12-inch that, I mean, it's just got regular dirt teeth. It does okay, but I want to do tiger teeth on this one for a while now, so this should be the hot ticket. But basically, I don't have an enormous root. I may, on this end, the root's like perfect. I almost wish it was a little wider over here, but we're going to be fine regardless. I mean, there's going to be so much welding rod put into this, I'm not worried about it. I didn't like, it really was a chore cutting out the old frog, because you have the bucket wall on that side, and then on this side you have the cutting edge that's welded right to that. Well, over the however many decades of this bucket's life, it managed to work dirt between the two plates there. So anyone that's ever used an oxyacetylene torch knows that dirt doesn't cut. So when I'd go in to cut, it would actually just blow molten metal right back out at me, and that's why it's random, you know, blown out in spots, melted away steel on this side. But we'll close it up with enough rod. It'll do the trick. there you have it. In a nutshell, that's basically how that whole project's done. Cut the frog out, weld these new shanks on to our new frog. We'll pin our new teeth in, and maybe we'll even be real sassy and spray some yellow paint on this. I don't know if I want to waste those resources, but we'll see. We'll get back on this project in a later video. So until that point, I will catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.